Number 1. The power of the President to disapprove a bill passed by Congress due to allegations that said bill was a hasty and ill-considered legislation is known as power. 1. Veto. 2. Police. 3. Legislative. 4. Executive. 5. Emergency. The answer is 1. Veto. Number 2. All of the following government officials may be removed from office by impeachment except one. Which is the exception? 1. Ombudsman. 2. Chairman of the Comelec. 3. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. 4. Chairman of the COA. 5. Presiding Justice of the Sandiganbayan. The answer is 5. Presiding Justice of the Sandiganbayan. Number 3. Which of the following refers to the power and authority of a court to hear, try, and decide a case? 1. Autonomy. 2. Jurisdiction. 3. Probity. 4. Independence. 5. Mandamus. The answer is 2. Jurisdiction. Number 4. Our Constitution provides that no person shall be compelled to be a witness against oneself. This provision is known as 1. Exclusionary rule. 2. The right to suffrage. 3. The right to speedy trial. 4. The right against self-incrimination. 5. The right to counsel. The answer is 4. The right against self-incrimination. Number 5. Any private individual who enters an abode against the will of the owner and without proper court order shall be guilty of 1. Trespassing. 2. Breaking in. 3. Forced entry. 4. Illegal search. 5. Violation of domicile. The answer is 1. Trespassing. Number 6. The right to privacy of a person is defined as one's right to 1. Go where one pleases. 2. Be a member of anti-terrorist group. 3. Believe whatever one wishes. 4. Be free from unwarranted publicity. 5. Build one's home wherever she chooses. The answer is 4. Be free from unwarranted publicity. Number 7. Every defendant in a criminal case has a right to counsel chiefly because 1. A counsel is indispensable in the trial. 2. It is difficult to get an acquittal without a counsel. 3. Prosecuting attorneys are capable of proving innocent people guilty. 4. There is a great risk of being a judge when one does not have a counsel. 5. The law is concerned in seeing that every defendant has adequate opportunities to present his/her case. The answer is 5. The law is concerned in seeing that every defendant has adequate opportunities to present his/her case. Number 8. At least how many years must a presidential candidate reside in the Philippines before running for public office? 1. 5. 2. 6. 3. 8. 4. 10. 5. 15. The answer is 4. 10. Number 9. All of the following are manifestations of the sovereignty of the people, except the right to 1. Define the jurisdiction of their government. 2. Define the powers of their government. 3. Constitute their own government. 4. Change their government. 5. Criticize their government. The answer is 3. Constitute their own government. Number 10. A member of the House of Representatives is disqualified to serve for more than 1. 2 consecutive terms. 2. 3 consecutive terms. 3. 4 consecutive terms. 4. A total of 3 terms. 5. A total of 4 terms. The answer is 2. 3 consecutive terms. Number 11. All of the following are the powers of Congress, except to 1. Declare the existence of war. 2. Declare executive acts unconstitutional. 3. Override the veto of the President. 4. Revoke the proclamation of martial law. 5. Prescribe the qualifications of judges of lower courts. The answer is 1. Declare the existence of war. Number 12. Only natural-born citizens of the Philippines are qualified for the following positions, except one. Which is the exception? 1. Governor. 2. Congressman. 3. Chief Justice. 4. Ombudsman. 5. Deputy Ombudsman. The answer is 1. Governor. Number 13. Records or documents pertaining to any one of the following falls within the concept of established privilege and are not made available to any requesting public except 1. Closed-door cabinet sessions. 2. Executive sessions of Congress. 3. Financial transactions. 4. Deliberations of the Supreme Court. 5. Drafts of decisions of the Court of Appeals. The answer is 3. Financial transactions. Number 14. Which of the following is not a right of a person under investigation for allegedly committing an offense? 1. To be informed of the person's right to remain silent. 2. To be informed of the nature and cause of accusations against the person. 3. To be provided with a free counsel. 4. To demand that the person be allowed to stay at home during investigation without police escort. 5. To have a competent and independent counsel, preferably of the person's own choice. The answer is 4. To demand that the person be allowed to stay at home during investigation without police escort. Number 15. No person shall be deprived of his/her property without due process. This means that 1. Taking of private property is illegal. 2. Tenants cannot be ejected from the house they occupy without due process. 3. It is illegal to demolish squatters' shanties even there is a court order. 4. Regulations on the construction of buildings require approval of the people. 5. Seizure by the government of any private property should always be in accordance with the law. The answer is 5. Seizure by the government of any private property should always be in accordance with the law. Number 16. A pact between or among two or more states intended to create a binding of rights and obligations upon the parties is known as 1. An agreement. 2. A contract. 3. A treaty. 4. A debenture. 5. A pledge. The answer is 3. A treaty. Number 17. Which of the following rights ensure the well-being of the individual and foster the preservation, enrichment, and dynamic evolution of national culture based on the principle of unity in diversity in climate of free artistic and intellectual expression? 1. Political right. 2. Inherent rights. 3. Civil rights. 4. Cultural rights. 5. Economic and social rights. The answer is 4. Cultural rights. Number 18. For expeditious proceeding of documents, except otherwise provided by law or regulation, how many initials or signatures must any written decision contain? 1. 6. 2. 5. 3. 4. 4. 3. 5. 2. The answer is 4. 3. Number 19. At least how many years after the Constitution has been ratified may the people propose amendments through initiative? 1. 3. 2. 5. 3. 6. 4. 7. 5. 10. The answer is 5. 10. Number 20. What is the general compulsory retirement age of civil servants? 1. 65. 2. 68. 3. 70. 4. 72. 5. 75. The answer is 1. 65. We hope you learned something from our latest civil service exam drill. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. And don't forget to leave your comments and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.